In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. This can be a brand new form or an existing one you already use. Once the form editor is on your screen, look at the top right area of the page where the menu icons are. This is where you can extend Google Forms with extra tools. Click the add-ons option, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that integrate with Google Forms. In the search bar, type Highlight, then look through the results and select Signature in Google Forms by Bolo vertical bar Sign PDF. This add-on is designed to capture signatures as part of a form workflow. Click Install, and when the confirmation window appears, click Continue. Google will then ask you to approve permissions. Click Continue again, select the account you want to use, and proceed through the permission screens by clicking the highlighted approval options until the installation completes. These permissions are required so the add-on can connect to your form and create the signature page for responders. After it is installed, go back to your form. You may notice the add-on icon is now available in the toolbar area. Click the add-ons icon again and choose Signature in Google Forms by Bolo vertical bar, Sign PDF to launch it. A side panel or add-on window will open to guide you through setup. Continue by clicking through the highlighted options in the add-on until you reach the preview or signing link page. Open the signing view, then click Next to move forward. Follow the prompts and click into the highlighted fields to enter the requested details. Then type the information as shown in the form. When you are ready, click Next again. On the signature screen, click Add your signature here. Use the available option to create your signature in the signature box. Then confirm using the highlighted buttons provided. Take a moment to make sure the signature looks clean and readable, especially if you are signing with a trackpad or touchscreen. Finally, click Submit to finish. Then return to the form editor and click the highlighted option to confirm you are back in your Google form with the add-on enabled. And that is all there is to it.